substance in this world is made up of molecules or atoms. Now, how do you know how many atoms or molecules are present in a particular substance? Well, this question was solved by a big brain called Avogadro. Avogadro developed mole concept. As such, today, 23rd October is celebrated as Mole Day with the theme Molezilla. This day was created to foster the interest in chemistry. So, we have a friend, Anzila of class 11D, and let's see what she's got to share on this big day.
Good morning, everyone. Today is the most important and the special day. 23rd October is being celebrated as the International Mole Day all over the world. Do you know what a mole is? Why today is celebrated as the International Mole Day? Well, you know that a dozen means 12. Similarly, a gross means 144. Just like a dozen or a gross, mole is a unit used by the chemists to represent a very large number of particles like atoms, molecules, ions, etc. Do you know how much is this number? 1 mole means an amount of substance which contains 6022 followed by 20 zero particles. You can say it conveniently as 6.022 into 10 raised to 22. 10 raised to 22 is taken as 23rd October and 6.022 is taken as a time to celebrate Mole Day. That is, every year on 23rd October, Mole Day is celebrated from 6:02 am to 6:02 pm by the chemists. This number is also known as Avogadro number. Amedeo Avogadro was an Italian physicist to name this number. The concept of the mole helps to put quantitative information about what happens in the chemical equation on a macroscopic level. This unit in chemistry provides a bridge between the atom and the macroscopic amount of material that we work within the laboratory. Thank you.
As I said before, today 23rd of October is celebrated as Mole Day from 6:02 am to 6:02 pm. That sounds interesting, right? 6:02 am to 6:02 pm. This is because Mole Day commemorates the Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23, which is a basic measuring unit in chemistry. So today we have Flixen of class 11A to talk more about it.
Mole Day on 23rd October. But what is meant by mole? In simple words, mole is a measuring unit to measure the amount of substance. Just like we use a pair for denoting 2 objects and a dozen for denoting 12 objects. For example, a pair of shoes, a dozen of bangles. Whereas a mole contains 6022 followed by 20 zeros, or simply 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles. Now, you might be thinking, who will be able to count such a huge amount of substance, and which substance is measured with that? Usually, it is used for measuring the amount of atoms or molecules present in a substance. And it is not measured directly, but it is measured on the basis of atomic mass of an atom or molecular mass of a molecule and the mass of the given substance which contains the atoms and molecules. And the interesting part is that any gas under similar conditions of temperature and pressure will contain equal number of atoms or molecules. The number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 is also known as the Avogadro number, which is also denoted as Na. The Avogadro number is named after the Italian scientist Amedeo Avogadro, who is chiefly remembered for his molecular hypothesis, which states that equal volumes of all gases at the same temperature and pressure contain the same number of molecules. This is also known as the Avogadro's law. Now that you know about mole and where it is used, now let's talk about Mole Day. Mole Day originated in an article in the Science Teacher in the early 1980s. Inspired by this article, Maurice Oller, now a retired high school chemistry teacher from Prairie du Chien, Wisconsin, founded the National Mole Day Foundation, abbreviated as NMDF, on May 15, 1991. Many schools around the United States and many other countries celebrate Mole Day as a way to get their students interested in chemistry with various activities often related to chemistry or moles. The American Chemical Society sponsors National Chemistry Week, which occurs from the Sunday through Saturday, during which October 23 falls. This makes Mole Day an integral part of National Chemistry Week. Mole Day is celebrated on 23rd October from 6:02 a.m. to 6:02 p.m. This year's theme for Mole Day is Molezilla. I hope you all will love chemistry. Thank you.
Well, tired of hearing about Avogadro's number, mole concepts, atoms or molecules, etc.? Well, don't worry my friends, today we have Gopika of class 11B ahead of us to sing a very wonderful song.
മോഹം കൊണ്ടു ഞാൻ ധുരീതോ ഈണം പൂത്തനാൾ മധു തേടിപ്പോയി മോഹം കൊണ്ടു ഞാൻ ധുരീതോ ഈണം പൂത്തനാൾ മധു തേടിപ്പോയി നീലേ താഴെ തളിരോർന്നു പൂവനങ്ങൾ മോഹം മണ്ണിൽ